Come on. I've got a spectacular one. Well, you just imagine a load of cannons going off. It'd probably sound a bit like that.
Okay. Yeah, I wonder how much of the battle you can actually see from here, or whether this part was actually involved in it.
Well, the attack came in from Little Silver, from the other side. By the time they got down to Taddyport, they were running. Running for their lives, I should think, with some of the other troops in hot pursuit.
Yeah.
Because when we were kids, well, early teenagers, Owl and I found a cavalry bit on the Shale Island down there. We found a boot heel with a spur attached over there. When you think of 1.5 tons of gunpowder going up at once, you have to have something to lean against, otherwise my hand shakes and it just looks like a load of bloody rubbish. I'm not actually sure how much storage time I've got video-wise on this thing. Like when Kermit was alive, we always used to drive over to the service farm and park up the lane there to look across at the bonfire.
Oh, right.
We'd have a lovely view there. We'd be sat there with a drink and something to eat, watching all the fireworks and the bonfire from over there.
Actually, went up to see it last time. We bought tickets, but no one challenged us to see if we had book tickets.
There were so many people that we could.
But there was only 1 or 2 entries. Apart, yeah, the rest of it was fenced off.
Yeah, in theory, but there's always a way around if you want one.
Yeah.
It's like festivals, there's always a load of people managed to get in somehow. Wow. So many going up at once, it's hard to concentrate on which ones to see. Well, I've never seen one of those before. Not like that, I haven't. That far away, I think will be alright, but I totally forgot about this, to tell the girls about this.
That'll be it. That's the final one. Probably a finale.
It's usually the biggest ones at the end, isn't it?
Yeah. That's beautiful.